Let's check out this 1957 Chevrolet street rod pickup. See, it's a Stepside short box. Very nice looking truck. It's powered by a 400 small block, according to the previous owner. Underneath the hood of this one, that is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes. Brakes have disc up front, drums in the rear, also AC. And the AC does blow cold, compressor turns on and off, everything works on it. Nice dressed up engine bay on this one too, and as you can see, the bright work and the chrome. Very nice up front. Paint is not that old on this truck. Also in very nice shape. Not full of rock chips, nicks, dings, dents. Take a look at the front of it. You can see the nice luster it has to it. Great reflective paint job on this one. If you want to check out the still pictures, go ahead and check those out. There's a description down below this video that has a link in it. That'll take you right to the pictures of this pickup at uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to give us a call too if you got any questions on it. Feel free to call us 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer any questions you may have. See, it's riding on BF Goodrich tires, American Racing wheels. It's a great looking truck. Interior's been finished off nicely. Box appears to have aluminum or stainless back here. Wood is in nice shape. Nice lacquer finish to it. It's everything about this truck. Very nice looking. See the step-side box. There's a Frenched-in radio antenna here. That is power. It does work. Interior's been finished off nicely. Also, I'll slip around to the driver's side. You take a little closer look at that. Again, 1957 Chevy Stepside pickup. Little street rod. Still pictures. Once again, there's a description down below this video that'll have a link to the still pictures. You can see those at uniqueclassiccars.com. Once again, the phone number 507-386-1726. Feel free to call us with any questions. And we do consider trades. Like I said, this was traded into us. So we do consider trades. Financing is available. And we can sure assist you with the transportation to get this pickup where you're located at. See how nice everything fits on it too. Check out the seams of the door. How straight and even they are. The one other thing we left on here, this truck has recently passed inspection in the state of New York. You can see 2020. So this is a nice driver quality street rod. Don't be afraid to get in it and go. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. Tilt column. Could be like an I Did It tilt column in there. Not positive on the brand, but you see it's got tilt. Dakota digital gauges, a JVC stereo. Like I said, that is hooked up to that power antenna. Power antenna works. You can see the AC controller down there. Everything very nice on the interior of this truck. Power windows. A lot of good equipment on this truck. Let's go ahead and fire it up and we'll pop that hood so you can check out the engine bay. We have one last little peek at the headliner and interior. See the cloth vinyl seat combination in nice shape. Not torn or ripped. Let's go ahead and fire this up. See how easily it starts. There's your Dakota digital gauges. Great looking this street rod. Aftermarket AC, like I said, that is functioning. JVC stereo. Hear how smooth this thing runs. Like I said, previous owner informed us it is a 400 small block underneath the hood. Slip around to the back. Hear it run. Nice little rumble out of it. Nothing crazy, but nice sounding truck. Let's go ahead. I'm going to pause this video a second. Let me get this hood popped and we'll check out the engine bay. Alright, here's that engine bay. Like I said, dressed up nicely. Got some chrome underneath here as far as the alternator, valve covers, air filter, and of course AC compressor over there, aluminum radiator. Nice smooth run. Look up here. And again, power steering, power brakes, disc brakes up front. There you have it, 1957 Chevrolet street ride pickup, regular cab, Stepside. One more time, financing is available. We do consider trades, and of course we can assist you with the transportation to get this truck to your location. Down in the description of this video, there's a link you can click on, take you right to the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. And of course, our phone number, 507-386-1726. Look forward to hearing from you on this beautiful truck.